Good, good, good. Pull up straight. Don't hit the curb, but pull up. Keep pulling up. Then park. Brother, I thought you did a very good job. You got better on your second parallel park. You merged out nicely on the expressway. We want to keep you prepared, getting you ready. We'll take.
I feel like the only time I got nervous today was recently on the turn.
You're right, but we just got to keep practicing. You missed a couple. We'll get you back in. I got to double check my schedule for next Thursday. Don't worry, stay flexible. I'm proud of you. You did good. I'm gonna have to roll up because I have a drive at 2:30.
Oh, and Brent, you will be receiving a text today.
I like that.
Permit.
Okay, then we'll double up. Man, go ahead, hit me up with that money, big dog.
All right.
Come on, man.
Oh wait, it's in the car.
Go get it. Go get it. So what you saw was a 23 or 22-year-old young man learning how to drive. It's real out here. And when you learn how to drive, good things are gonna happen. He did really good on the parallel parking. He made a couple of errors. What he did was he made that left turn and that car was pulling out to her right. So I think it was a little bit off. Would he have been close to failing? I think it depends on how close that car was. He almost turned into the wrong lane. Whenever you're turning it like that, turn into your nearest lane. He turned into the left lane, but I think if that car would have been in a hurry, it would have been a conflict. It would have been an accident. So I would say that he passed. He didn't run lights. He did some nice parking. He did some nice turning. You saw this for yourself. Now, I modeled. Okay, what other instructors are going to parallel park? What other instructors are going to be backing into the reverse park? What other instructors are going to do the stop line? You see me. That brings you value. I'm showing you value. You know, why should you be watching my videos? Why should you be subscribing? Because I'm a state certified driving instructor. I showed you a portion of the road test. I walk it like I talk it. And then you're going to see me driving on the expressway going to another appointment. I thought he did good. He missed 2 drives. He was a little rusty on making his right and left turns, a little hesitant. He went a little bit. Would he have passed this road test? I believe so. He's just got to do more observations, check his blind spots, have better control of the car. I thought overall he did a nice job controlling the car, merging out to the expressway. He was about 50. Not bad. Some adults go under. Yeah, he did good, E. You already know.